Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by loyal Primus.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The Hong Kong shares of Baidu plunged, wiping $2.4 billion off its market value, after the founder of the Chinese search engine giant was not spotted at a rare meeting between President Xi Jinping and corporate leaders. Oil prices were broadly steady as investors monitored developments over a possible Russia-Ukraine peace deal that could increase global flows by easing sanctions, while reduced Caspian supply from a pumping station drone attack curbed any selling. European shares rose to record levels, led by defence stocks, as the region's political leaders called for an emergency summit on the Ukraine war, amid growing US calls to boost military spending for security.
The dollar-yen pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. Gold prices saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. Crude oil prices skyrocketed in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behaviour and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.